In front of me is Xiaomi 14T, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to tap on Apps over here. Then select Manage Apps. Click on those three dots at the top right corner and click on Other Settings. Finally, select the default apps here and click on any of those sections. I will change my browser, so I have to click here. Tap on my desired one, in this case Firefox, and go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!